Oh yeah, coming up shortly, it's the Jedi. Jedi in the house. Here we go. When the day of the Lord check out these nice vehicles, baby. Check it out. Woo! Damn, man, looking good. That skill right here. Each one of these cars. Workmanship, skill, dedication. That's a lot of honor. Time to pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. DJ Ray. Shout out going out to Southwest Finest, girl team. Let me see some horns. Where you at? Bisons. Yep. Already. You're a bison, big shout out. You got any leopards in the house? Big shout out to you leopards as well. Gotta share the love. I know that's right. If you're a Dallas Mavericks fan, big shout out to the Dallas Mavericks. Shout out to all you Dallas Cowboy fans out here. We got any Ranger fans? I don't know. Big shout out to T-Rock. And I'm going out to Graham, co-host. What's up, Graham? You ready to get the mic? You're looking to get the mic for Jedi. I am your father. Join me, son. Got Dallas Stars in the house, man. 7? Game 7 for the Dallas Stars, man. Shout out going out to Billy Ray Cyrus. Pick them up, cuz. Pick them up, cuz. Woo! Oh, yeah. Shout out going out to M-Ray, DJ M-Ray on the 1 to 2, baby. Second annual Live Point Church Car Show. Let's do it. DJ M-Ray in Augusta, doing his thing. That's how we do it. You know, Cleveland, Rocket Radio, got a good lineup. Check it out. You ain't got to go nowhere else but Rocket Radio and Rocket Radio Latino. That's how we got it down. Good job. Very good job. One big happy family, and I'm glad to be part. Fanfare in San Antonio, showing up to a bunch of events, being well noticed, come out and do their thing. I was honored to be the MC for that, and I appreciate that. We got a bunch more events that Rocket Radio and Rocket Radio Latino are going to be involved in. They are on the map, baby. They are on the map. Las Vegas coming up. Rocket Radio Latino will be in Las Vegas live. In Las Vegas, coming up in July. Conference. What else? I think it was a radio. Victoria, Texas, San Antonio. All-Star Awards. I was nominated for the award show for the All-Star Music Awards by Jesse Torres. And Rocket Radio will be there. Here we go. And go check out the cars and go wax them right quick. Here we go. Put your hands up in the air. Sunset Bison's where you at. Get them up, get them up, get them up. Tickets are going to get t-shirts. And they're the front in line. Y'all better learn. Y'all better pick this up. Y'all saben, those are veterans. They know where they got to be to get free stuff. And they got everything down. They're ready.
coming up next. Here we go, here we go. Big shout out to Maserati. I told him to bring in after he washes it, to bring it in here and park it for me. And he's looking for me. I'm right here, buddy. I'm right here. Bring it in. Bring in my Maserati. It's a rent for the day. No. Right here. Oh yeah. Park my Maserati right here.
Shout out going out to the Rocketeers.
Here we go now. Here we go now.
Okay, he's gonna park my car right quick.
With the oldie that's hitting, getting real dope for the brothers and the ladies. The OG
Damn. Tell my wife to bring my new Corvette I just bought last month. Parked it somewhere here. I can't afford a Ferrari, but I got the new Corvette. It looks pretty close. Yeah, it's bigger than the Matchbox. It's actually one that I can ride.
In fact, I got it parked right there in the front.
And I'm clean, my nigga, straight up. Good game, beat saw game, like a rhino. Running through the rough. You listen to the sounds of breeze.
Hey, there you go. Ain't no shame in this game. ¿Qué fue que pollas se tortillas? Quiero saber de veras, does anybody really still make tortillas? Y'all gotta go to Fiesta or HEB or algo así. Oh man. Yeah. They would say money. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, look, Daddy, hey, she might not know how to make tortillas.
Do it like this. And cut. But Chico won't let me drop my mic. So, that's about as far as we'll go. Italy! Cumbia!